Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and we'll focus on the introduction and foreshadow. Are you ready? Let's begin. Introduction. Have you ever wondered what it takes to achieve the American dream? Is it simply a matter of luck, or is there a secret formula that only a select few are privy to? As an immigrant who has experienced the highs and lows of pursuing this elusive dream, I can attest to the fact that there are indeed steps that need to be taken, strategies that need to be employed in order to make this dream a reality. And that is precisely what this book is all about. Welcome to Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States. In these pages, I will take you on a journey, sharing my own personal experiences along the way, as well as the wisdom I have gained from over 3 decades of teaching English and mentoring immigrants from all walks of life. Whether you are a recent arrival in this great nation or someone who has been here for years and still feels like an outsider, this book is for you. Let me begin by painting a picture for you. Imagine standing on the shores of a foreign land, your heart filled with hope and anticipation. The United States of America, a land of immense opportunities and endless possibilities, beckons you with its siren song. You take the first steps towards your new life, leaving behind the familiar comforts of home, family, and everything you have ever known. The journey ahead is daunting, but the promise of a better future propels you forward. But as you soon discover, the path to the American dream is not a straight and narrow one. It is filled with twists and turns, obstacles and setbacks. It is a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, of triumphs and disappointments. And yet, through it all, there is a fire burning within you, a determination to overcome whatever challenges come your way. In this book, I will share with you the strategies and steps that need to be taken in order to navigate this complicated journey. From mastering the English language to understanding the intricacies of American culture, from attaining the necessary education and skills to building a strong network of connections, I will guide you through each and every aspect of the American dream. But there is one thing I want to make clear from the very beginning. The American dream is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It is a deeply personal and subjective vision of success. For some, it may be the pursuit of financial wealth and material possessions. For others, it may be the ability to express themselves freely and pursue their passions without constraint. And for many, it is simply the hope of providing a better future for their children and generations to come. Whatever your definition of the American dream may be, this book will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to make it a reality. Along the way, you will learn about the immigrants who came before you, their struggles and triumphs, their stories of perseverance and resilience. Their journeys will inspire you and remind you that you are not alone in your quest. So, my fellow immigrants, are you ready to embark on this incredible journey towards the American dream? Are you prepared to face the challenges head on, armed with the knowledge and strategies that this book will provide? If your answer is a resounding yes, then turn the page and let the adventure begin. Together, we will defy the odds and prove that the American dream can indeed become a reality. Foreshadow. In this book entitled Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States, readers will gain valuable insights on the strategies and steps necessary to navigate the complex journey of achieving the American dream. From mastering the English language to developing a deep understanding of American culture, from attaining the necessary education and skills to establishing a robust network of connections, this book provides comprehensive guidance on every aspect of the American dream. However, it must be emphasized from the outset that the American dream is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It is a deeply personal and subjective notion of success. For some individuals, it may mean the pursuit of financial wealth and material possessions. For others, it may entail the freedom to express themselves and pursue their passions without constraint. Ultimately, for many, it is simply the aspiration of providing a better future for their children and future generations. Regardless of one's interpretation of the American dream, this book equips readers with the necessary tools and knowledge to transform their dreams into reality. Throughout the book, readers will encounter the inspiring stories of immigrants who came before them, stories of perseverance, resilience, and triumph. These narratives serve as a reminder that individuals are not alone in their pursuit of the American dream. In the chapters that follow, the book delves into the various elements of achieving the American dream. It explores the historical context of the American dream, tracing its origins and evolution over the years. Additionally, the book sheds light on the complexities of the U.S. immigration system, unraveling its intricacies and providing guidance on navigating the different pathways to legal status and citizenship. Education and skills development are also key focal points in this book. It emphasizes the importance of building a strong foundation through education, acquiring new skills, and leveraging them for personal and professional growth. The book further explores financial literacy and strategies for creating wealth, equipping readers with the knowledge and tools necessary for long-term financial stability and prosperity. Cultural adaptation and integration constitute crucial aspects of the immigrant experience. Therefore, the book delves into these topics as well, addressing the challenges of overcoming language barriers, nurturing mental and emotional well-being, and embracing diversity and inclusion. Practical strategies are provided to assist readers in successfully navigating these obstacles. In each chapter, readers will find practical advice, actionable steps, and real-life examples that exemplify the triumphs and successes of immigrants who have achieved their American dream. From overcoming adversity and building resilience to contributing to the community and celebrating personal achievements, this book provides readers with not only knowledge, but also inspiration to create a meaningful and fulfilling life in the United States. So, fellow immigrants, are you ready to embark on this remarkable journey towards achieving the American dream? Are you prepared to confront challenges head-on, armed with the knowledge and strategies presented in this book? If your answer is a resounding yes, then turn the page and let the adventure begin. Together, we will defy the odds and demonstrate that the American dream can indeed be transformed into a reality.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.